Okay, we have Hurricane Igor on the go today. I don't want to go outside, but I want to film it, so we're going to go outside and feel this. I'm only going to take the camera out for a very, very short period of time. The winds are just picking up. This is nothing compared to what's happening on the rest of the island. St. John's, so really nothing. Woo. Wait for a gust and then we'll really hear it probably. That's a little gust. There we go. Just getting started. Okay, I am going back in. Almost lost the camera. Okay. Awesome to have a nice warm house to be in.